Hi, and thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Furk, aka Phil, and today I just want to take a quick break from my Fuji X100VI videos, since I got something in the mail, which I want to unbox with you. So let's put the Fuji aside. And don't worry, I haven't forgot about the Nikon ZF. I still enjoy that camera, and more videos about this camera will also come in the future. So let's put this also on the side. And let's have a quick look at this. If you're interested in street photography, you might know Samuel from Samuel Street Life and Alex from Alex on Street. And they both worked on a project together during a trip in Japan and put it into this photo book. And it's quite interesting how they both approached this photo book. I will link the video up here, so go and check it out. But before we unbox this together, let me tell you a little bit of a story why I purchased this in the first place. Because normally I'm not the type of guy who buys photo books or look at photo books, to be honest, because most photo books are for me too abstract. But when Samuel and Alex presented this photo book in their video, this specific photo book caught my interest. And there are several reasons for that. And the main reason lies about 10 years ago, because back then I was at an Taekwondo anniversary event. Back then I had time to train, unlike now with 2 daughters. And on that event, 2 people took some photos and also took some videos. The shots were amazing in my eyes when I saw that at first time back then. And years later I found out that Samuel from Samuel Street Life created these images back then on the event I attended. A few years ago he also published a video about that Taekwondo event, and you can also check it out if you want. For me personally, funny enough, I'm basically in 2 of his shots. One I'm just included in the shot because it's an image in a crowd, so to say, but in the second image I'm quite clearly in the image. That's me. Somehow I found that quite funny to know that this photo, which I really like and reminds me of my Taekwondo time, that this image was taken by Samuel. Forwarding years later, I got interested into photography because I want to document my family life, and also I am a gearhead. As you already know, I like to play around with cameras, and also I got interested in street photography, and therefore I also discovered Samuel's channel. And that's how I basically found out that he documented that Taekwondo event, which I also attended personally about 10 years ago. And since I really enjoy the work of Samuel and Alex on YouTube, plus the topic of Japan, these are the reasons why I purchased this photo book of them. Now enough talk, so let's open this up. Hopefully it got delivered undamaged. The package looks fine. Safely wrapped in bubble wrap. And here it is. This is the front cover. And this is the back cover. Both of them explained the background or the idea why this is the case. You can basically read, look at the pictures, and these pictures are taken from Samuel. If you turn it back, that's the perspective of Alex, and these images are also taken by Alex. Let's have a quick look. To be honest, it's the first time I have a photo book in my hands too, I think, and the paper feels really, really good. And the images are just looking great on paper here. I think that's also a perspective which we forget in the time of digital and social media, that gear regarding cameras are only one perspective regarding image quality. If you want to print your work, it also depends on your quality of print, and that's also making an impact on the image quality. It's really funny to look at these pictures and remembering what both of them told in the background, so that's quite amazing. Let's have a quick look on the back side. Perhaps also quite interesting for you to know Alex took his pictures with film, so basically film photography, and Samuel took his images digitally. So also two worlds in this photo book. And the film images also just look amazing. This photo book is limited to 200 samples, and if I checked the websites correctly, it's already sold out. Here you can see I have number 50 of 200. The paper just feels great. Just gives me confirmation that I consume mostly digitally regarding photography. Unfortunately, I can't provide you a good experience how good this photo book feels in the hand, and also how great the image quality is. I can just tell from my experience, but I think the video of Alex and Samuel provides a good idea, and also the commentary is just really interesting. Yes, I will look closer into this photo book and study the images to also improve my photography along the journey. Really cool photo book. Alex and Samuel, in case you're watching, thank you very much for the quick delivery. I really enjoy this photo book, just looks amazing, and keep up your great work. Alright, this was a quick video, a little bit off topic if you compare it with my other videos, since I'm currently still quite gear focused, because gear videos make it easier to grow my channel. But I think it's also important to be aware that these cameras are just tools, and they enable us to document our time. And if we are good at it, we can put together something like this. I think my small video doesn't live up to the expectation of the quality of this photo book and also the work both of them put in, but I just wanted to do some kind of appreciation, I guess. So again, thank you Samuel and thank you Alex. If you're still here until this point, thank you very much for your time watching. I appreciate that. If you want to support my small little channel, you can buy me a coffee via the link below, leave a super thanks, or check the affiliate links below in the description. And if you want to see more videos of my channel, just click on one of these.